face anyways.
Okay.
Stella takes 4 hours to paint a room. It takes Jose 3 hours to paint the same area. How long will the paint job take if they work together? First thing we want to do is we want to create a chart showing how long each of them take to paint the room so that we can find the fraction of time that it'll take them to do it together. So we'll make our chart and we'll have Stella, Jose, and then together. First thing we want is the time it takes them to paint. So time to paint in hours. Then we want the fraction of time, the fraction of work per hour. And finally, we want the fraction of work. In T hours. And we'll let T equal a variable. In this case, how long it'll take them to do it together. So it takes Stella 4 hours to paint the room. It takes Jose 3 hours, and we're looking for T, or what it'll be together, so we'll let that be T. In an hour, if it takes her 4 hours to do it, she'll get a quarter of the work done. If it takes Jose 3 hours, he'll get a third of it done in an hour. And we don't know how long it'll take them together, so we write 1 over T. So for the fraction of work in T hours, we'll go 1/4 times T, or T over 4. For Jose, we'll do 1 over 3 times T, or T over 3. And for the final one, we'll go 1 over T multiplied by T, which also gives us 1. So now that we have this, we're going to find our equation using all of this information. So our equation will take Stella, since we don't know how long it takes her per hour to work, and we'll plus that with Jose's, and we'll let that equal 1, since that's how long it'll take them together. So we need to find T, so we need to isolate our variable, and we'll use our lowest common denominator, which is 12. So we'll multiply the top, multiply each thing by 12. So this can cross out and we'll get 3. This can cross out and we'll get 4. And we have to leave this as 12. So we have 3T plus 4T is equal to 12, which gives us 7T equal to 12. Then we can divide both sides by 7, and we're left with T is equal to 12 over 7. Or we could write this as a decimal, which would give us 1.17 hours. So this is how long it takes them to do the paint job together.